Welcome and thank you for coming to watch another one of our vegetable bread videos. Today we'll be making kale bread. This video is really short and sweet as it's exactly the same recipe as our spinach bread, but we have used kale instead of spinach. The recipe is listed below. I have already prepared this bread and did all the kneading, so let's see what the almost finished product looks like. Stay tuned.
Okay, so I'm back. So what I did is I transferred the dough that we had, that we needed, into a greased bowl with olive oil and covered it with cling. And you want to wait till this gets double in size, and then we'll take it out and we'll form it into our breads. We'll be right back. All right, guys, hi. So we're back with our kale bread. As you see, it has risen to it has doubled its size in the bowl. And I have already prepared our bread pan, and we are going to throw this out on our board and shape it into a bread. Okay? So we're going to dust the board with some flour to make sure that it doesn't stick to it. And then we're going to punch it down a little and then put the bread out. So you can see it's nice and moist and airy. The texture is wonderful. So now all we're going to do is shape our bread out. So we're going to flatten it a bit, and then we're going to roll it into the shape of a bread. That's about it. I'm gonna take whatever this is out here. It's a piece of sugar. And put it in our bread pan. And what we're gonna do, now we're gonna leave that and let that rise. And at this point, I'm just gonna set it aside and put a towel over it until, again, it has doubled in size. Well, almost doubled in size. So this is our kale bread that's ready to go in the oven. When it comes out, I will show you its finished product. Okay, so this is our finished product of our kale bread. It came out of the oven. It smells really wonderful in here. What we do when we take it out of the oven, immediately put it on a rack, a baking rack, and we buttered the top, right, to make sure that the bread remains nice and moist. So I'm just gonna cut it so that you can see on the inside. See, nice and crunchy, but moist on the inside. Okay. So that's our finished product for our kale bread.